Hi, I'm Inez Simpson, creator of the Simpson Protocol, and I invite you to consider the wonderful journeys and experiences you can have with Simpson. Now, Simpson Protocol is a complete holistic process of therapy. And by therapy, I mean it's a process that can create positive and optimum change in anyone in any circumstances. With a caveat, as long as a person is open to allowing change, and we'll come back to that. Now, some people who have had a quick glance at SP say, well, I think it's too spiritual. What I think they mean is it doesn't just deal with just the physical or the conscious parts of our minds. It's, as I say, holistic. It covers all the stuff that isn't physical or mental. And it's holistic for a reason. If you had an issue, a trauma, a physical disease, there's no point in dealing with the surface symptoms if the cause lies somewhere deep within the person's psyche. For me, the spiritual part is what's left after we deal with emotions, physical aspects of a person. So everything else we know about or don't know about. Now, our conscious mind lives in the world of language. So we put things in words. We need to name things. So SP uses what we call the superconscious to help the client. That's the name we give it. And the superconscious doesn't differentiate between the physical, the mental, the emotional, and the soul. It's all connected as far as superconscious is concerned. And if the client wants the issue completely dealt with, then that's what it does, regardless of what the level it has to deal with. It's all connected. And SP deals with everything that's connected. Now, as I say, this is a great process to deal with trauma, phobias, and physical disease, and so on. But of course, for those who are open to the complete process, it can be a magic carpet ride to all the spiritual connections that affect and touch our lives. It can open you up to frequencies, vibrations, energies that we're immersed in. And if you are ready on that journey, it allows you the tools and the processes to move deeper and deeper and further on your journey. And it's simple, effective, and powerful. Now I'm running a small boutique class. It's a small 3 or 4 person class that explores every aspect of SP, almost a one-on-one basis. It doesn't focus exclusively on the spiritual aspect any more than SP focuses exclusively on physical or mental aspects of the person. It's holistic. Did I mention that? It covers all aspects because everything you find is connected. And the more you allow that thought, the greater the outcome. Now, the only thing you need for this SP process is not belief. It's not some kind of psychic ability. It is only one thing: to be open to positive possibilities in the process and be open to possibility. And you will get everything you need from Simpson Protocol.